Hi and welcome to Monash University in Bendigo. This is our rural health building, which is right at the front door of the new Bendigo Hospital here in Mercy Street. We're opening our doors to visitors in September, so come in, take a quick look now at what you'll see. We've got an in-house cafe called the Good Loaf right near the student lounge, and of course we have free Wi-Fi for students right throughout the building. As a medical student on your regional clinical placement, you'll attend tutorials in dedicated teaching rooms in our 100-seat lecture theatre. Most rooms have full video conferencing facilities, so you can hook up with other sites as well. This is our state-of-the-art clinical skills area where theory is put to practice. Here you'll practice clinical skills before you see real patients. So come and take a better look on open day. We'd love to see you.